We got the X Factor! Well, my name is Ashley Cash, I'm 21 years old and I live in Holborn, Birmingham. And this is my first audition, so, you know, and I'm going to sing Sex on the Beach. Spelled Teaspoon by Teaspoon. Okay, so here we go. Sex on the beach, come on everybody, sex on the beach. Sex on the beach, come on move your body, sex on the beach. Do 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 more party. Do 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 do. Sex on the beach, come on move your body, sex on the beach. Thank you very much. Please vote for me and leave comments as well to tell me how good I am and vote for me. Thank you.